In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your site in the Wix Editor 2026 guide. If you've ever lost work because a tab crashed or your internet blinked out, you know how important saving is. The Wix Editor gives you a few reliable ways to protect your progress. And today I'll walk you through each one so you always know your changes are safe. And let's start with the most straightforward option, the manual save. While you're editing, head to the top left corner of the editor and click the menu icon. In that dropdown, choose Site and then click Save. Think of this as taking a snapshot of your current progress. It locks in everything you've done since the last save, so if you've just finished a section you're proud of, this is a great moment to hit save and mark that milestone. Manual saves are especially handy when you're about to step away from your desk or try a bigger layout change and want a known good point to return to. If you prefer speed, there's a faster way to do the exact same thing. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S to save instantly without moving your mouse or opening any menus. Get in the habit of tapping it regularly as you work. After adding text, moving elements, or adjusting spacing. It's quick, it's familiar, and it keeps your flow going without interruption. Now here's the safety net working behind the scenes, autosave. Wix includes a built-in autosave feature that quietly records your edits as you make them. You can confirm it's active by checking the top left corner of the editor for the label that says autosave on. With this enabled, every change you make, whether it's a new paragraph, an image tweak, or a layout adjustment, is stored automatically. So even if you forget to save manually, your progress isn't lost. Want to see that in action? Type a small bit of text on your page and press enter. Then hover your mouse over that new edit. You should see a message that says last saved just now. That confirmation is your reassurance that the system has captured your latest update. The best part is the peace of mind you get from combining both methods. Manual saves give you control and clear checkpoints, while autosave quietly protects your ongoing work throughout longer creative sessions. Together, they make sure your site is safe, your effort is preserved, and you can focus on designing without worrying about losing anything. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.